જય શ્રી સ્વામિનારાયણ. શ્રી સહજાનંદ ગુરુકુલ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝડ SSGM સ્કૂલ માનકુવા ઓનલાઈન ટીચિંગમાં આપનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત કરે છે. Dear students, today I am going to teach you class 10 subject science topic double displacement reaction and redox reaction. Into last video I taught you displacement reaction, so for that you have to remember the reactivity series. Up to this video I taught you three kinds of reaction, that was combination, displacement and decomposition reaction. Now today I am going to teach you the fourth kind of fourth kind of reaction, that is double displacement reaction. Before proceeding, before starting any definition, I am going to tell you one activity which is given in your textbook on page number 11, activity number 1.10. Okay? In that activity, you have to take sodium sulfate in one test tube. Take sodium sulfate solution, that is Na2SO4, which is solution so in aqueous form. Take sodium sulfate and add barium chloride, BaCl2. After chemical reaction, you will notice or you will observe that some portion which is insoluble in water or in aqueous solution. So that insoluble substance which is called precipitation. So here if we want to write down this process in the form of equation, we can write that sodium sulfate Na2SO4 plus BaCl2, barium chloride, which is also in the form of aqueous. Now dear students, if you are adding barium chloride solution into sodium sulfate solution, what will happen in this barium chloride? Barium 2 plus and Cl minus, these are the ions, and in this sodium plus and SO4 2 minus. These two ions are present in sodium sulfate and these two ions are present in barium chloride. Now what will happen after reaction कि दो जो रिएक्टेंट है, रिएक्टेंट यानी कि बिफोर एरो जो दो मीडियम में प्रोसेस हो रही है, तो वो दोनों क्या है? बेरियम क्लोराइड एंड सोडियम सल्फेट. अब इन दोनों के जो आयंस है वो जब एक्सचेंज होते हैं, यानी कि जब ये दोनों मिक्स होंगे बेरियम क्लोराइड एंड सोडियम सल्फेट, तो उनके आयंस जो है वो बेरियम एंड सल्फेट वो जब एक्सचेंज होते हैं तो क्या बनेगा? दे विल फॉर्म सोडियम क्लोराइड प्लस BaSO4. Now dear students, when you will see this activity, तो you will observe that कि जब हमने इसके अंदर ऐड किया तो आपको कुछ इनसॉल्युबल सब्सटेंस मिला. इनसॉल्युबल यानी कि क्या? ऐसा नहीं कि सैंड जो है वो वाटर में इनसॉल्युबल है, नॉट लाइक दैट. बट इफ यू आर मिक्सिंग टू एक्वस सॉल्यूशन एंड समथिंग इज देयर विच इज इनसॉल्युबल, ओके, आपको उसके अंदर मिल्की मीन्स कुछ धुंधला धुंधला ऐसा दिखेगा. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड precipitation. Okay, so this is a new word for you. The definition of precipitation is the insoluble substance which is in aqueous solution, that is called precipitation. So dear students, in this activity you can see the precipitates of barium sulfate. Okay, so this is also called precipitation reaction. This is activity 1.10 and which is on page number 11. Okay, so इसके अंदर क्या हो रहा है? मेनली आपका इंटेंशन क्या है कि इन विच रिएक्शन इफ आयंस आर एक्सचेंज फ्रॉम इट्स salt solution or from its aqueous solution, that is called double displacement reaction. Why it is called double displacement reaction? Because in this the ions are exchanged from one reactant to the another. Okay, इसमें से बेरियम एंड इसमें से सल्फेट, सो दोनों में से निकला, दैट इज कॉल्ड बेरियम सल्फेट विच इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रेसिपिटेट्स. So this kind of reaction in which ions are exchanges from its aqueous solution, that is called double displacement reaction. If you want to note down the definition of double displacement reaction, I am writing on board. Note down. Two different atoms or groups of atoms or groups of atoms displace each other are called double displacement reaction. So clear students about double displacement reaction? Okay. Now if you want to write down the another example of double displacement reaction that I am writing here, this is one, this is second, sodium hydrogen carbonate NaHCO3 plus if you are adding HCl which is in the form of dilution, so you will get sodium chloride NaCl plus CO2 plus H2O. In this kind of equation also, this sodium and chlorine ions will exchange from these two aqueous solution. Okay. So dear students, note down these things. Now moving forward, the next kind of reaction, that is redox reaction. Redox, if you will divide the word, you will find red, R-E-D, that is reduction, and ox, that is oxidation. So just the name of topic, that is